Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to discuss about two important AI tools which will be helpful for us to draw our pictures in our research paper, and also it has different types of templates available, especially related with flowcharts and different types of bar graphs, charts and graphs, etc. So let us go on to today's video and explore that tool and how it will generate better content for our research paper diagrams. An important announcement from our channel is that we are going to organize an AI powered research paper crafting, the ChatGPT and AI Revolution workshop on research paper writing. The main objective of this workshop is to familiarize you all with different AI tools which will be useful for writing, and also we are going to explore different types of prompts, especially ChatGPT prompts, research prompts in ChatGPT, how that ChatGPT prompts will converted into a better text for our research paper. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register our online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. So this is the live MATLAB workshop on EV charging station with PV and wind energy as source. So this workshop is all about how to design EV charging station in MATLAB environment using renewable energy as its source. In this workshop, we are going to model PV and wind energy sources, and also we are going to implement different MPPT algorithms in the PV and wind energy sources in order to grasp a maximum amount of energy from that renewable energy sources. So the collected renewable energy, that is output from the PV and wind energy sources, is given to the EV charging station. So hence EV charging station will get a better power from renewable energy sources. So these are the important things we are going to work out in MATLAB and make a live MATLAB, that is EV charging station in MATLAB. So don't forget to register our online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. If you want to interested to know about MATLAB basics, so here is a better opportunity for you to learn more about MATLAB basics. So this is a comprehensive MATLAB workshop from basics to advanced application. So in this workshop, we are going to explore MATLAB environment, and we are going to make a 2D and 3D plotting in MATLAB. And also we are going to explore the different types of toolbox available in MATLAB Simulink, that is neural network, fuzzy logic, ANFIS toolbox, etc. Apart from this, we are going to see a live tuning of a PID controller, how that PID controller will be tuned using MATLAB to obtain desired results for your applications. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. Surely this workshop will bring you a better understanding about MATLAB basics. So don't forget to register our online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. Moving on to our today's video, the AI tool what we are going to discuss today is this diagramming AI. So instantly design UML and workflows in with AI. So it's a AI powered diagram creation, discussion and suggestion updates. So let us go on to today's video and explore that diagramming AI. So you can just click on diagramming AI. So it leads to a dashboard here. So after that you can sign in with your mail ID. So here I have already signed in. So this is the dashboard. So in this dashboard you can see different options are available. So you can click projects or add new projects. After this you will be getting a new dashboard like this here after creating a new project. So this is how it look like. So in this you can see, so this is AI, this is for coding. So next one is configuration, this is saved details. So I am going to AI. So here you can see the template. For example, just click on that auto. So in this you will be having different that is templates available starting from flowcharts. So these are some of the flowchart templates here you can see. So this is the flowchart templates. So next one is sequence diagram. So this is sequence diagram. So next one is ER diagram. Next class diagram. So this is the template. 3 templates are available. Next Gantt chart, mind map, timeline diagram, pie chart, quadrant chart, auto. So here, so you can go on this that is auto option and then click on, for example, say if you want to draw a flow chart, so you can click on flow chart. So this is a basic flow chart here. So I am going to click the basic only. So after that what you can do is, So the output quantity you can select auto, low or medium. So instruction for creating a new diagram. So you can give an input prompt. So accordingly it will generate a content. For example, say I am going to give. So for example, I have given a input called flowchart of perturb and observe method, observe MPPT method. So I have just given an input prompt. So here make a note of it. The input prompt what you are going to give must be very clear and precise, so thereby you can get a perfect output. So in order to check this diagramming, just given a content like this, flowchart for the perturb and observe MPPT. Here you can see start, measure V and I. Next to perturb voltage, whether V is greater than V MPP, decrease voltage, or the condition, you can see the two condition, vice versa it is checked. So like that you can make use of this option. If you want to edit, so click on quick edit and you will be having different options available. So top to bottom, so left to right, so like that different options are available. So here you can see any of the option you want, so you can select. So it will show accordingly. So here you can see if you want to top to bottom, so it will show top to bottom. So like that you can click on this quick edit option and you can select any of the style. So curve style, you can change the curve style also. So here you can see by selecting each curve style, so it is changing that curve style. So natural, step, so here you can see it is like a step after, step before. So like that any of the things you can change. So you can adjust the node spacing, rank spacing, padding of that particular tables. So whatever you want you can do. So or else you can undo that particular thing also. So after that you can use this flow chart. So here you will be having an option called download. So you can download this flow chart. So here these are the different formats of download. Download SVG, download PNG. So after that you can save, you can give a title name and save your file. So update your existing title. So whatever you want you can do. So like that you can make use of this option to generate flowchart or pictures for your research paper. So here I have explored with flowchart. For example, if you want any state diagram, so many of the research may use state diagrams for the research paper preparation. So here you can see some of the state diagrams also be there. So next one is sequence diagram. So this will also help you to make a better block diagrams, etc. So next one you can see this is the class chart. So this one not needed. So here you can see the timeline diagram. So this also will be very helpful. Next to mind map, this will be also very helpful. Next to pie chart, this also you can use to analyze your data. Next to quadrant chart, so this also used to analyze data. So like that there are different options are available in this particular AI tool, diagramming AI. So you can go on and explore this AI tool. So if you are wished in, so you can that is you can use this for your that is research paper preparation. So you can automate your pictures, whatever the pictures want you can automate, especially related with academics. So go on and explore this diagramming AI. So thereby you can get a better idea about this diagramming AI. So next AI tool what we are going to discuss today is that AI flowchart. So this is a AI flowchart IO. So this is also an AI tool which is used to generate flowchart, sequence, graph, timelines and pie chart. So for example, in this what you have to do is you have to provide your query. So for example, if you can ask anything you want. So we have checked with flow. So we will do with some other option. For example, timeline. Here you can see that I have asked for give timeline for the use of renewable energy resources in power sector. So in this you will be having different options. You can give the flow, sequence, graph, timeline or pie chart. So here you can see I have given timeline. So the timeline for the for our content is generated. So here you can see renewable energy adoption in power sector. So year wise it is given yearly years in 1990s. So you can see here I can zoom even better. So fossil fuels dominate the global power sector. So next you can see in 2001 wind power capacity exceeds 20 gigawatt. Next to 2002 Germany introduces feed-in tariff boosting solar deployment. So like that for every year, every evolution it will generate a better content for us. So here 2010, here you can see China becomes the largest wind power producer. So like that, here you can see 2020 COVID-19 accelerates green transition and investment shift towards renewables. So here the plan for 2025 is that India achieves 40% renewable energy capacity. 2030, renewables become the largest sources of global power generation. So like that, it will generate how the impact of renewable energy use in power sector will be. So this is how you can generate a better timeline diagram. So and also you can see this is graphs and sequence diagrams also, and also you can obtain flow chart using this AI flowchart also. So make use of this option to generate a better content for your research paper. As far as plans and pricing is concerned, so for free you can here you can say idealized for personal use case. So everything for free, you can have unlimited credits, unlimited request. So here what is the difference between these two is, here you can see unlimited credits without watermark, download diagrams, knowledge up to 2023. Here this for this one it is trained up to only 2021. So if you want the advanced version, you have to go for subscription option, and you can download the content you have generated without plagiarism, without watermark free. So without watermark, you can download your image when you are going for your subscription option. So this is all about this AI flowchart. So go on and play with this AI flowchart.io, and you can get a better understanding and idea about the flowchart you are going to make. So in this video, we have discussed about two important AI tools, especially to draw pictures in our research paper. So these two AI tools will help you to draw a better diagrams for your research paper. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. Thank you for watching our videos. Have a nice day. Thank you.